Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to turn on cookies in Google Chrome. Cookies are small files that websites store on your computer to remember your preferences and enhance your browsing experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, look for the More menu in the top right corner of the browser. It's represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on the menu to open a drop-down list of options. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can customize various aspects of the browser. Step 4. On the settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy and Security. Click on this section to expand it and reveal additional options. Step 5. Within the Privacy and Security section, locate and click on Site Settings. This will open a new page where you can manage various site-specific settings. Step 6. On the Site Settings page, find and click on Cookies and Site Data. This will bring you to the Cookies Management page, where you can control how Chrome handles cookies. Step 7. Finally, on the Cookies Management page, locate the option for Allow All Cookies. Click on this option to enable it. This will allow Chrome to accept cookies from all websites you visit. And that's it. You've successfully turned on cookies in Google Chrome. Remember, cookies can enhance your browsing experience by remembering your preferences and login information on websites. However, it's important to be mindful of your privacy and security. If you have any concerns, you can always customize your cookie settings to suit your preferences. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech-related tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing with cookies enabled in Chrome.